this is where we're supposed to clean our CSV files, and we're able to convert all -n to NaN, and this is the output. So moving on to task 1.2. Right. So in task 1.2, we're supposed to read our clean data sets and create frequency distribution tables out of them. So my team used top 10 countries due to easy readability, and if we use those, it would have defeated the purpose of having an easy data set. So these are the outputs you're supposed to get. These are all the outputs you are supposed to get. So moving on to task 1.3. Task 1.3, this is data integration and relationship mapping. So we merged them 3 times. So after we merged them 3 times, we did that so as to remove all of their unknowns. Right. So in task 1.3, you will get a data dictionary.csv as your output and an integrated data set also as your output. Now moving on to task 2.1. Task 2.1. So in task 2.1, we're supposed to build a graph where and also have something like a scatter plot where the airports will be the nodes, right? So in that one, we developed a node metrics.csv file. Then we see, so this is the image where the airports are nodes, and also this is another output, the ERD, the relationship diagram, which relates everything. So now moving on to 2.2. 2.2, this is where we have to clean our coordinates, clean our route IDs. Then we are come to generate a folio map, right? We come to generate an interactive map. So we come to run that interactive map. So this is our interactive map. Then this is our distance distribution and our airport clustering. Right, then now we move on to 2.3. 2.3, this is where our business intelligence and market analysis. So that one, after you run it, then you bring out your airline strategy comparison, your competition mapping, your growth opportunities, and your market share.csv, and your route profitability proxy. Then after 2.3, that's where we move on to 3.1. That's where we move on to task 3.1. And in task 3.1, this is where we have our Streamlit dashboard. So we created a dashboard documentation which shows you how to run the Streamlit, right? So your name, dashboard, CP4E final code, that's where it is located, right? So then to run your Streamlit file, you go to a new terminal, then you paste your command there. You get it. When you paste your command there, the Streamlit dashboard is supposed to come up. Then you will be able to do it. So these are some snapshots from our Streamlit dashboard showing the global aviation overview, our network analysis, our geography, business, and search. So basically, that is it. So this is our Canvas page. Right now, we are creating a user ID. So for students, it must end in 2028. So we are just demonstrating that to you right now. So Jeffrey Epstein, right? So that's Jeffrey Epstein. So you've given an email. Then now we selected Jeffrey to be a student. So we are giving Jeffrey his password. So we use bcrypt to encrypt our passwords. So we can't even see your passwords. They've been encrypted with special characters. So now Jeffrey has his ID. So Jeffrey is signing in. So now Jeffrey can view his student's dashboard where he has his available courses. He can have available assignments. He can submit assignments in Python and text files. Jeffrey can do all of that. Isn't that amazing? So now we want to move into the faculty phase. So we already have some test files. So we decided to make the faculty end in 2024 or 24 at the end because we wanted something which would differentiate them from the other people. Right. So faculty, giving him his password. Good. So it has prompted the person that faculty must end with specific characters, yeah. Good. So we are still creating the account. Right. So now we have our accounts for faculty. So we sign in as faculty. So faculty, you can create a course, you can create an assignment, you can view students' submissions. So right now we are creating a leadership course where we have the course description. Right. So we've created a course and we can also delete the course. So students can also view that course from their place. And you can also grade a course. So we are grading leadership 101. So Jeffrey Epstein can see it from the other side. Good. So it has said that you can't grade the submission because the submission has not been given. So we are creating an assignment now. So you pick the course, the assignment's title. So how to be a leader. And now we are going to give the assignment's description. Pledge to be a leader, a good leader. And you now give a due date. Wow, your assignment has been created. Now we log out and we log back into the student's dashboard. So after it has been graded, this is what you see.